What's up, guys? If you want to see what it's like trading on UStock, check out our live stream. It starts at 8:45 a.m. every weekday morning, and I go over what's moving in pre-market and then trade my small account live at the open. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and click the bell next to it to get the alert every time I go live, and enjoy this video. Okay, so if you ever watch my live streams, one of the biggest problems I encounter on UStock on a daily basis is stocks being labeled limited liquidity. When that happens, you can only get in and out via limit order, and so it makes it a lot tougher to trade. You can see on the left side of the screen, I tried to get in ROKA here and I just wasn't filled. Nothing happened, and that usually occurs right before a stock is labeled that, and so I had to take the time to go back and cancel that order, and that can also be time consuming and put yourself in a worse situation, especially if the stock starts to turn against you. It doesn't happen very often, like I said, but it does happen about once a day from my experience. Still, it's definitely not a deal breaker for me just because UStock has so many other positive qualities, but it is something you want to consider before making that leap to try to trade on UStock. Okay, so my very first broker when I started trading was SureTrader, and if you've ever used them before, you know there are tons of shorts available. Unfortunately, as of now, there is no shorting on UStock, and so it's a strictly long-based broker, and you really want to consider that, especially if you're a short bias trader, just because shorting is such a big part of the game nowadays. Hopefully they'll implement that in the near future and they'll go ahead and add shorting sometime, but like I said, as of now there is no shorting on there, guys, and so you really want to consider that before giving UStock a try. Okay, and the last thing I want to touch on, guys, is that there is a $10,000 limit in buying power on UStock, meaning you can only buy $10,000 worth of shares at any specific time. Overall, I don't think this is as big of a deal as some of the other ones, just because I think most traders on UStock are going to be trading a very small account and using small sizing, and so if you are considering depositing more than $10,000 into your account, UStock may not be for you, but overall this hasn't affected me whatsoever, just because if you watch my videos, I use really small sizing and trade the really cheap stocks, and so it hasn't affected me at all, but you definitely want to consider it. Anyways, guys, that's the end of this video. If you want to keep watching more videos like this and you want to see me trade my small account live at the open, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click the bell next to it to get the alert every time I go live. I go live at 8:45 a.m. every weekday morning, and I go over what's moving in pre-market, and then, like I said, trade my small account live at the open. So thanks for watching, guys. Good luck in the markets on Monday.